Well, when she is not co-anchoring After the Bell on Fox Business, she is a busy mom of 3 trying to get dinner on the table.
And today she's put it on the table. Here to cook up with friends, we've got a Francis family special spiced chicken.
She's the same Melissa Francis who's author of this paperback book, Lessons from the Prairie, now
Best
available
book
so you
ever.
can bend it. Her kids, Grayson Thompson and Gemma.
Yeah,
Wow.
this is Gemma right here. So my philosophy as a mom is don't lean in. In fact, sit down and take a load off, preferably with a nice glass of sangria.
And
She's
let
like,
the kids
oh,
do the
yeah,
cooking.
Yeah, right. My idea of making dinner is generally going to McDonald's, but that makes me a horrible person, I know. So I'm trying to eat a little bit more healthy.
Spicy. This is funny.
She's very good at this. Believe it or not, this actually works. This is one of the reasons why this recipe, it's foolproof.
So when mom is watching Cavuto, she's doing that in the kitchen?
There you go. I don't watch Cavuto. I'm on at the same time. 4 p.m. Fox Business. I love Cavuto. Don't get me wrong.
She's like a little lady right there.
She is a little lady.
She's preparing her dinner. Just a little lady right there.
So what we do, I've got Instant Pot pressure cookers are really hot right now. They're pushing them on Amazon.
Maybe
A lot
that's
of
a
people
little too
buy them
spicy.
and use it once and put it away. The main problem is that you don't seal it properly and your food comes out like mush. We realized what I did was I fed them all McDonald's, and then I bought a lot of chicken so I could practice with no pressure on me. And any spice that you put on here works. Thompson is putting ranch spicing. Yes, this is taco spicing. This spice that Gemma is loading on is from Columbia in a Columbia restaurant in Tampa, Clearwater. It's my husband's favorite restaurant in the world. He loves it.
Can we get a zoom in on this chicken,
I
please?
don't recommend putting all the spices on at once.
Put some vegetables
I
in.
don't think
So Melissa, you
coat both sides with one spice, not all 3.
Brian, don't
Stick it
encourage
in.
it.
Yeah, don't throw in some vegetables that you like or don't
ahead.
like.
It looks great.
You know, whatever you like. There you go.
You do taters
Throw all the
too?
no.
It's gotta be sliced.
Anything you want.
The recipe
Can I put
will
them
be-
in? Wait. Can I put these in? Wait.
Yeah, why not?
Forgot about these. You forgot.
And then how long do you cook it in the pressure cooker?
15 minutes.
That's it?
You can't. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's so foolproof, as you can tell. We are not really follow the recipe like precision. We're not precision cookers.
But I would say,
I know why she drinks the sangria. They give you some right
she
now.
is so much fun. We
Wait,
love
is
you,
that
Melissa. We love your
alcohol?
kids.
Is that alcohol?
No.
That's not alcohol.
Answer like you always do, Melissa.
Cheers.
Say no.
Cheers.
By the way, it's all in your
Cheers.
new book. How to put everything on everything and drink when you want.
She was on Little House in the Prairie, and now we're working
That's
with
good
her.
bread.
This was my favorite show growing up.
Very sweet.
And this is my favorite segment.
Who made this?
And now she's having
drink.
mimosas
See, I like
for
the
breakfast.
Partridge
Who
Family.
made this bread? This is great.
I did. Thompson has a Latin test right
If
after
you would like
this,
the recipe, go to foxandfriends.com. It's going to be right there. Melissa, thank you very much.
Thank you. You want to say hi to your friends at school?
Hi, everybody at Basis.
Kids, wave goodbye.
Hi, everybody at Basis. See ya. Hope you will like the clip.